East China's Zhejiang province, an economic powerhouse, has achieved more balanced and coordinated development in its path to common prosperity and modernization over the past decade.
This is Jingning, where a lot of Shu minority people live. In the past, this is one of the least developed places in East China's Zhejiang province. I'm here to visit Chali village at a height of 1,030 meters. More than a decade ago, a type of vegetable, jiaobai, was introduced to this place, through which people's income has greatly increased and their livelihood is become better and better.
In 2002, Zhejiang launched a pairing-up scheme between the developed coastal areas and the underdeveloped mountainous areas in the province to narrow the regional development gap. Thanks to the move, Jingning's water bamboo shoots could easily reach the market in coastal areas.
我们是高山泉水，我们地下水种出的茭白，品质很好的，很好吃，又甜又嫩。这10年以来，我们的村庄哈，我们的村民呢，都比较富起来了。
From 2012 to 2021, the incomes of both urban and rural residents in Zhejiang more than doubled, and the province saw its GDP reach 7 trillion yuan and its per capita GDP exceed 110,000 yuan in 2021. As a key indicator of balanced development, the income ratio between urban and rural residents in Zhejiang decreased from 2.37 to 1 to 1.94 to 1 in the past decade. Zhejiang's equalization of basic public services has exceeded 98%. The province is pooling efforts to further narrow the development gap between urban and rural areas and basically achieve common prosperity in 2035.